Hi everyone, it's Sue, and welcome to day 10 of my 12 Christmas movie themed collaborations. If you'd like to become a part of this collaboration, check down in the description box below for all the details. Do you remember writing your first letter to Santa? Whether it was delivered by Pony Express or via email, it definitely is a memory that you'll never forget. The anticipation of a response and wondering whether or not you made the naughty or nice list is a childhood memory that all of us probably have. Did you ever wonder where that tradition came from? Why do we write all of our holiday hopes to a fat man in a red suit who makes toys all year and rides a magical sleigh pulled by reindeer? Well, the recent 2019 Oscar-nominated film Klaus provides wonderful insight into how this magical and integral part of a child's Christmas might have become a reality. After proving to be the worst postmaster in history, young Jasper is sent to a remote village in the north called Smeerensburg by his father to build a viable post office in this remote, isolated community. There he is greeted by an unruly bunch of citizens, as well as a lone woodsman who has a house full of toys and is named Klaus. So you really should check out this wonderful new animated classic. And if you'd like to see my tribute to the movie Klaus, let's get started. So first, a belated shout out for National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, Jujubee's Crafts and More. And now for Klaus. Sons Arts, Legolita Luna, Leigh's Art Studio, and a Dollar Tree Mimi's World. So since this movie was about the origin of the letters to Santa, my hubby suggested that I do my picture in the form of a stamp. So that's what I did.